How to turn on voice chat on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the voice chat on your Roblox account. So the very first thing you want to do is open up Roblox and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to make sure that your region or your country has voice chat enabled in Roblox, because if you don't have it on your region, no matter what you do, you won't be able to turn on voice chat on Roblox. So for that, you first need a verified account. Tap on the more icon at the bottom right. Then you want to scroll down and find settings. From your settings, go to account info. And on your account info, you should have an option to verify your account. So just go ahead and scroll down. And here you can check your age to get more features. You can either continue with a selfie, or you can continue with an ID. So I'll just tap on continue with ID to verify. Once you do that, you'll be sent a verification code on your email. You just need to go ahead and check for your verification code. Once you have your code, all you have to do is just enter the code over here. So I'll just quickly enter the code and then tap on verify. Once that is done, you need to upload a government verified ID or any official ID that you own. Now you need to have your valid government ID that is issued already. Then you need to be in a well-lit room and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. Tap on continue, take the photos and verify your account. Once you have verified it, you can go back and then simply tap on settings one more time. Go to privacy and content restriction, and then here you'll have something called voice chat. You just need to go there and enable your voice chat. That's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.